what you say. Oh, that you only meant well.
What is up, everybody? It's Pon-Won-Too here, back with another real-life survival video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spear, something like this. So we've got the flint head, so that's sharp. We've lashed it onto a pretty long base. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this. It's not going to be this exact spear. This was just one I made for practice. But without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is this thing called flint knapping. Now, flint knapping is when you take a piece of flint, like a piece of shatterable rock, and hit it until you get a piece that's about the size of an arrowhead or spear tip or something. So I'm gonna go back to where it is. So this is a spot that I get a lot of my resources, same as last time. So I'm gonna be a wee bit wary here because there's a fox back here, a really big one too, that lives here. So I've actually made my little hut defensive. So I built it a fence and pike and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna pick up a stick and or something and just throw it in before I go. But he has a den here, I think. Okay, buddy, you gone? I'm gonna pick up this piece of reed. I hear him. Holy crap. Ah! Oh, is this the deer? Holy crap. He's running there. It scared the heck out of me. Whew. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. So, but I get scared sometimes. Sorry, there are a lot of bad animals here. Bears, foxes, coyotes. Deer can be really dangerous too. So, yeah, and especially in this time of year when there are fawns. We just saw a newborn fawn today that could barely walk. So yeah, so I'm scared if the mama decides that I'm a threat and decides to attack me, that would not be good for me or the deer, because of course I would fight back. So yeah, there's the fox den. Don't know if you can see that. It's a den there. I think it's a fox den here. Anyway, so we're going to want to pick the right rock. So good flint. So these are pieces that I broke off the other day. These are good. So you're going to want a rock that is like this one, I guess. This one's good too. Then you're going to want another rock to break it with. So got all these pieces of flint. So let's head back. I'm very paranoid right now. That fox is creeping me out. Because it's got little ones too. So yeah. Every noise I hear just makes me jump. So this is actually an essential skill if you're alone in the wilderness, flint knapping, because of course at some point, if no one's coming to rescue you, your knife is going to get dull and not be able to cut anything. So you're going to want flint tools, flint arrowheads, flint knives, yeah. And of course just like the regular stone hammer is good, a good tool. So you're going to need to learn how to do that. So yeah, that's it. I'm back here, and just so you know, it's really, really hot here right now. So yeah, so we're gonna take a piece of this flintish stuff. Set that down. Can you see that on the camera? There. And you're gonna take your rock, start to hit it. Oh, I got a piece of this rock. This one's actually decent. So you got that. That's actually good. So then what you're going to want to do is take a little bit of a harder rock and break off smaller chunks until you got a arrowhead or a knife or whatever you want it to be. So there you have it. There's your arrowhead. Just to show you how sharp it is, I don't know what I can do here. I'll just take this shaft here. I'll show you that I can use this as a knife. So see, I'm taking off wood. So yeah. So that's what it can do. It's sharp. Really sharp, actually. Like, I could cut myself on this. That's a hazard. So now, see, you want to see that again? So that's a nice little flint arrowhead. Now what you're going to want to do, so get up. What you're going to want to do is grab a pair of clippers or something like that from yours. Clippers help a lot, but yeah, I had to trim off quite a bit. But I got a decent, it's a wee bit curved, but I got a better branch. So I can probably bend it into shape, actually. Okay, so I've gotten myself the shaft. It's not as long as the other one, but it'll do. Now what I'm going to do is you're going to take your clippers again, and in a survival situation, of course, you would use like a stone hammer or something, not clippers. But what you're going to do is take the end and you're going to split the end. There we go. I think I did it wrong. That'll work. So now you got that split there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take some twigs or something like this. Got 3 twigs. And you're going to open the crack, and stuff these twigs in there. So your final product should look something like that. So you got the split there. And now you're going to take your spearhead or arrowhead or whatever it is, stick it in there like that, break the twig, and put your arrowhead a wee bit farther into there. So there you have it. That's that part. And then actually, I think I might take the string from this one, just because I want to. This one's better, I think. Anyway, now we're just going to bind it. It is a nice sturdy short spear or arrow, whatever you want to call it. So this works. This will cut stuff. Okay, so if you want to hunt with that, do whatever you want, fish with it. So yeah, that's what it is. Just remember, before I leave, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and click that bell icon so you never miss another video. And until next time, adios.